This is not Earth. I heard there were McDonald's around here, ladies. This must be Neptune. I must keep flying so I can find Earth.
Hey Ben, how are you? Good, what are you doing? I'm just checking up on you guys. Is Kevin okay? Alright. Actually, I'm on my way to DC. I have an appointment with the president today. Yes, I will. In case I don't get home on time, please do me a favor, lock all the doors and don't open the door for anybody. Do you get that? Alright, say hello to Kevin, alright? Alright buddy, I love you. Alright, bye-bye.
Have you ever read these books?
No.
It's about a girl that and their parents. When the parents left the house and left the aunt in charge, and then the aunt brought gifts. The aunt brought a girl her mood ring, and the aunt brought a little boy like haunting Bigfoot book, and then that little boy came to the front yard, and then it was in summer, and at the end of it, it was like the baker was like running it towards the ice cream truck, and then it was a kid in a costume.
It's a nice book.
And I read all the series. What are you doing? What are you, a little Bill Gates?
No.
Let me come here and let me beat you at ping pong. Come on. Come on. Serve it up.
Oh, bang! Fuck you! Oh, fuck you!
A crack. How do you like that?
Oh, you got fight bounce.
Go in there. Nobody's got to go in there except me and Kevin.
Your father is a genius, Ben.
My dad works with the government to police bees and help them fly. Kim, you want to play some ping pong?
Yes.
Okay.
In that game.
Where's my pro?
Who are you?
Get out of my house now!
You can't fight me. I have power. I can take it. Yeah! Ha!
Sit your butt down.
Ben, be quiet. You always mess things up.
You see, you need power to fight that guy. He's going after your dad. I'm going to kick his butt.
Whoa, guys. They have powers. We don't have powers. We need to get powers fast. Let me see. Yes. I got it. My dad's lab. We can use my dad's experiments to help us fly and defeat the aliens.
Genius. Let's go. That thing don't work.
Let's wait and see.
I feel like flying. On your dream.
I feel something.
I'm going to fly. It works. It works.
Thank you, Mr. President. It's an honor for me to meet you.
It's my pleasure to have you, Mr. Jackson. I would also like to thank you for the great job you have done for our nation, Mr. President.
Thank you. I do my best as a president to keep all people happy. What's the reason of your visit, Mr. Jackson?
Well, the reasons of my visit is to introduce you to an anti-air chemical and virus program,
Okay.
which I believe that can be a benefit for your government and our nations.
Sweet.
This program will be used as an air injections that can destroy all the bacteria, virus, and chemical that reside in the air.
Nice.
That will help our people live longer and prevent them dying from different kind of sickness.
Awesome. I think it's very interesting, Mr. Jackson. How much will that cost?
That will cost from $2 to $3 billion, Mr. President.
Money is not an issue. Is it working?
The program has already been tested and approved.
Nice work, Mr. Jackson. We'll keep in touch, okay?
Thank you, Mr. President. I look forward to seeing you again.
Thank you.
Let's go get them.
These people are stronger than I expect. I cannot get the program.
Ladies and gentlemen, on behalf of our nations, I would like to thank those 3 kids who sacrificed their lives to save ours. Those kids have not just saved us, but they have saved the entire world. For your information, the government has just signed a contract for $2.5 billion to remove all kind of virus, germ, and bacteria that reside in the air. With that program, it will help us live longer and minimize the risk of different kind of sickness. I would also like to thank the scientist, Mr. Jackson, who did all the research to make the world a stronger place so we can live without fear. Again, kids, a great job. Because of your help, the program has not been stolen by the alien. Thank you and have a pleasant day.
Where you guys coming from? You in blue. What's going on?
Good.
Soccer?
Yeah.
Did you guys win?
Yeah.
Wait a minute, how I end up here? Can somebody tell me? The only thing that I saw, I was up in the air. So what's going on? Somebody gotta give me some explanations. I saw the news.
The doctor said lay down and sleep in the bed and he see us.
That's why you come here. Guess what? I think I'm gonna leave today. How I end up in the air?
We were flying.
You were flying?
Wait. That's another thing. How you guys learn how to fly?
Your lab?
I know.
My lab?
Yes.
Did you guys use my lab experiment to
Yes.
fly? That's not good. Hey, listen, guys. That's not a joke. I have to take that power away from you, okay?
No, you're not.
Yes.
Yes, I will. Oh, what happened?
The aliens are back!
The aliens? Huh? Let's get out of here! Bye.